Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanvi, and in case if you're watching my video for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel because this will give you motivation to create more videos like this. And this video is very special for me because I just checked out one of the things in my wish list, that is to travel business class, and that too on a free cost. I didn't paid anything for it, and so on the price of economy I got lucky to travel in a business class. So I'll tell you the whole story and my experience with the Air India business class, domestic business class travel. So let's get started. I know I'm very happy, but yeah, let's get started because I want to share everything with you all. And so the very first thing, I didn't know about it. I didn't got any message, or I didn't got any mail to upgrade it. I did got a mail to upgrade it to business class, but for some money we have to upgrade it. And being in Bania kid, or you can say a middle class child, you don't want to pay extra bucks for something that is not that necessary for you. So I just ignored that mail, and today when I was checking in, and suddenly the staff told me, ma'am, your boarding pass is changed. So uh, I was like shocked, like what happened suddenly. And then they just told me, you got upgraded to business class, that's why. I was really happy and shocked at the same time. So because like for the 2 minutes I'm trying to accept it, okay, business class, because from quite a long time I want to travel in the business class, and they gave it me for the free. So the very first thing is, I didn't paid a single penny for it, and they were. I'll tell you the two reasons why they upgraded to business class at the end. I did talk to Air India staff at the Mumbai airport, and I did ask them like how how you guys give it the business class, or why you give the free upgrade. So like what are the things that we need to follow so that we can get it for the next time. So I'll let you know that at the end of the video, so stay tuned and watch the full video. As of now, as soon as I entered in the flight, my seat was 3A, that is the window seat in the business class. Yeah, so it was good. Then the very first thing they offered us was the orange juice. As soon as you sit on your seat, they'll offer you the welcome drink. So there were two options. The one was the apple juice and another was the orange juice. So I took the orange juice, and that was really good. Then the next thing they gave us the hot towels to just as a refreshment, like get freshen up and all. And they took it back because the time to take off has came. And then later on, for the meals they will give you the menu card. You can select, like there were options for veg and non-veg, and you can select from that. And also there's an option for dessert and the drinks as well, so you can choose whatever you want. Since I don't eat onion garlic, jam, right? So I prefer the dessert and the appetizer. In the appetizer, I guess they have dahi bada. That was also good. So I tried these two things, and in the drinks later on, you can ask them for the coffee, tea, or any kind of juices. So that was good. I mean, the food was good. I don't have any issue with the Air India food, because last time when I traveled from United States to India, the food was really good. So yeah. And then later on I asked them if they can give me a piece of paper or a pen as well, because my bag I kept it in the overhead bins, and I just don't want to get up and took it out from my bag. So I asked them if they have extra by any chance, and they told, sure ma'am, you can have it. Because I had this one thing now, like the new hobby. If if I'm traveling somewhere, I'll start doodling it. So this is they gave me. This is cute. I mean, the cute little diary from the Air India, and I just wanna have it as a memory. So I just kept the date and the Air India, and the bucket list item is done. So yeah. So today I checklist one of my things in the bucket list. So the next one is to travel in the business class, but that too in the international flight. And for that, I did ask the Air India staff, like, how will we get it? So they just told me, ma'am, you need to pay the extra charges for that. And I was like, okay, one day I will, but not today. So yeah, so the two reasons why they do that, like I asked them. So the first one is, if the economy is already booked, and if the economy is full, and you are also like, I was, I guess, the last person to give my bags and luggage, because there was some issue. Like, they told me, ma'am, you have a couple of kgs extra, so you need to take it out. So that's why I'm late, otherwise I was on time. So yeah, so they just told me, ma'am, like, if the economy class is fully booked, and if you have also booked in the economy class, but we don't have any seats, so we upgraded it to the business class. And the second reason is, if they just told me, if you have paid the amount more than what is the actual fare of economy. So sometimes what happened, if you have connecting flights, or if you have if you have booked the flights in emergency, sometimes you pay the amount more than what is the actual fare as an economy. So they automatically upgrade your seat to the business class. So that were the two reasons they told me. And also the third thing they told me, ma'am, if you want your international flight to get it upgraded with the business class, you need to pay around 70 to 80,000. And I was like, no, I'm not willing to pay it, of course not. So yeah, this was my whole experience. And I would say I got lucky today, or I really enjoyed my business class experience. So I hope you all also get a chance to travel in the business class in the future, and I'll also get another chance to travel in the business class, but in the international flight. So yeah, it was a good experience. See you soon, guys, again in the next video. So there are more videos that I'm planning to shoot, but not really got a time. But yeah, regarding the visa, I will be shooting the next videos. And also there is a little surprise as well, because I'm traveling to a different state. So I'll share that thing as well. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.